Can you download photos from Instagram? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see if you are able to download photos or videos from Instagram. But before we get started, do not forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right in. The first thing you want to do is simply open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you're logged in, you just want to go ahead and find a picture that you want to download. So for example, if I just go to this person's profile, and let's say if I just want to go ahead and tap on this picture right here. In order to download this, there is no active option on Instagram. So if you try to uh, tap on the three lines, as you can see, you can only save this on your profile. So if you just tap on saved, this post will be saved on your profile. But there is no active way to download it to your gallery. What you can try to do is just take a screenshot of the image like so. And then from here, you can just tap on this edit option to just crop it out and then fit the picture. But doing this will not ensure that you have a high quality image. So there is no active way to download images off of Instagram as of now, but this is the only thing that you can do. I do not recommend you guys use any third-party websites or apps to download such videos and photos because they might be harmful to your device. But if Instagram brings out a new feature in the future, that allows you to download photos, then we'll be the first one to let you know. So just be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.